Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we're always smiling. So you guys know I always try to find some of the really coolest places that you can go for travel or food or whatever the case is. Now today we are at Fireman Lobster. I believe they had moved from the 7 Mile beach stretch, so now they're down here, and that's by Ray's Water Sports. So once you see the Ray's Water Sports sign, just turn off in and then you'll be close to it. Or if you're close to Boardwalk, it's in the same vicinity. Alright, so we're about to get this food really quick, and we're still trying to see who has the best lobster in the grill on this travel experience. Alright, so the moment you come out the car, you can smell the lobster already. That distinct. Ooh, people out here picking out lobster. Come on. What? Yeah. I just hold it for everyone to do, you know? It's cool. It's pretty cool.
I like that one. Which one? That one already? That one had the one at the same size.
Which one? Oh, I thought that one was
Let me get just send me one that I can have a lot. I want that one yellow one like about the okay, let's bring this one. It's $30. You heard me? Yeah.
You guys need one. One up here. Stop.
Whatever charge and whatever you want with it.
There's good men out there.
Yeah, but wait. You have to wait for them to come.
Man work hard, them are the good man, you know.
Yes, they're good men. I have some friends that have good men.
Oh, yeah, can I hold that big bad boy?
That one will rot in your teeth. That one cannot, listen to me, that one cannot eat.
Oh my God.
That looks like a weapon. Are you taking that out? I want to take a picture.
I'm looking for this.
Huh? You're not daddy. I see one.
Want a picture of that, man?
No, you just have to walk in the water.
You put it back in the water now? Yeah, man.
Let me take a picture. Oh, let's stay in the water.
Yeah. You want to run a week or so, you know? Water keep them alive.
Alright, so we're about to choose our lobsters. Is it me? Fresh.
Well, I want 20. I'll weigh them still, I'm not sure. I want 20.
How much that? How much you pay for him? Yeah.
Jamaican. Oh, whatever the calculation.
The back. You gotta get it from all angles.
People, they want to pick two. Alright, see what I'm trying to tell them. God, they're tough. So you can buy them someone and share your body, man. You can't cut it now. Everything out here. How it tastes good, man. Set fish.
So you guys should already know where I'm back at. I am back at Charela Inn. Reason being, one thing I can tell you as a traveler, food vlogger, whatever you want to associate me as, is that poor customer service at any food spot already makes the food taste horrible. So we're at this place where the customer service is excellent, and I can almost guarantee the food is always good here. So we're back. And I'm excited to take my cousin here as well, because she's watched the videos, and you know, when I was here for about, me and my sister was here for about 3 days, we messed the place up with that food. We just ate every single day, so I know she's gonna be excited to see you know, what the food can taste like. Oh yes. So excited. Alright, so we're just taking a quick look on what's on the menu. I have no clue what I want, if I'm to be fair, but I'm willing to try something new today.
Something new.
Hey, what would you suggest for lunch? Ooh, you got a fruit punch, cuz.
I did. No, it's not.
Virgin.
Oh, yes, it's virgin.
Chile.
No. And I got a fruit punch.
No, wrong one.
No, I got a fruit punch. She's a Pepsi girl.
I'm Pepsi.
Thank you. Hey, you can tell it's a real fruit punch, you know. It's not a little thing I was saying, I could buckle it. What I said, I said a true juice. It's a real true juice. How is it?
I can
Yup. Yeah, this was super good. I'm done it already. You see me? Real fruit punch. So food has finally arrived. Where you get, Michelle?
I got the
I can't solve with your bammy. Oh, and breadfruit. Yo, that look good.
You did too?
And then
Thank you.
nice. That's a vibe.
Yeah. Look, all those others that look for my breath.
Can we get another serving of garlic bread? Is that enough for everybody? Sorry.
More not. So we're going to suggest we put the appetizer.
Well, that's what I had ordered before, really.
Oh, but it came with your food.
Nice. So Imani ordered garlic bread, but everybody hogged it. So it's that good. So we're getting another serving. It's really good. How's your food?
Nice. What you do? I taste the coconut milk.
Was it worth the switch?
It's good.
Can you try it, please? It tastes very country.
Yeah, something like your granny would have cooked. Yeah. Nice.
So good. I'm not really a curry goat person, to be honest, but I felt like I wanted to try this today, so. Curry is so rich. If you're a curry goat fan, you're gonna like this. I promise you. It's on the gravy. No bag of oil, plus curry. Good.
This is the coconut and
The fatter one should be mine. And I'm going to weigh them, Debbie. And I fatter one that? I see him. Let's inspect.
Don't give me kind of one, give me no one.
Inspect to see which one.
We have to inspect it.
Inch measure?
Yeah. No, look.
No, that one there.
And there we go. And oh. Honestly, guys, I'm not a big fan of cake. I like cheesecake and whatever, but some people love cakes in general, not so much. This Black Forest cake, I really vouch for it. It's really good. It's just nice, and a nice touch of chocolate fudge up there. Listen, turn it.
Don't look at it.
I don't know why Jilly is looking at my thing, so.
So you talk too much, I'm gonna take a piece.
Oh God.
So just mind yourself.
I can't do my vlog, I can't talk about that vlog. Alright, and Imani really wanted it's a Tia Maria. It's a Tia Maria crepe. I wonder how that tastes. How's the ice cream? Is that like Devon House? No?
Can I get a fork as well, please?
I have to, you have to refresh my memory with Devon House ice cream.
Oh, yeah.
To compare, so.
We can go there.
Yeah.
Look at this cake, man. It is just so. God. Just soft and nice.
Can I share for you?
Debbie, you're a bad woman. Oh my gosh.
Debbie, me love you.
You're welcome, darling.
Jeez. No, Debbie.
Don't share the
I don't share this type of. That's why we order a separate one for you. Oh my gosh.
That's good.
How much you want to slice of cake? I might need to order another one. It's nice. Right. Talk it out now, Mama.
Hold on.
The cake don't even need ice cream to it. Just soft. It's nice, man. It's ridiculously nice, man. It's like
smart cake over here. Oh my God.
Jeez, please. Yeah. Talk about the cake real quick. It's nice, no? How is it? How is that? Good.
If you like ramen with me, you will like this. But that's essentially what it is.
Nice.
And it's not heavy.
It's not heavy, it's light. Alright guys, last time I came to Charela, I never had a chance to experience the whole beach and everything like that. So finally, I'm gonna experience it. It's been raining and we wait on the rain, wait on the lightning and everything to pass because I need to experience it here. What I love about it is, you know, the coconut trees in the backdrop. Where we are staying, we only have like a bar in the backdrop. So that's what I want. What are your predictions, Jelly Beans? Cold water or warm?
Warm water. He said when it's raining.
It's gonna be warm? Yeah, I feel so too. So the water right now is a little bit green, and that's because of the river water mixing in with the salt water. So that's what's happening here. Woo! I'm actually stooping right now because in an real beach you can usually stand and go pretty far out. So Michelle,
Yeah,
is this your first time down here?
this is my first time ever.
Jeez.
That's a shame though.
And what's the experience like?
Wow, this is awesome, man. This is awesome. I've always heard about this 7 miles. Used to think it's like only open up for tourists and stuff like that, but hey, I'm living the dream.
Trust me, the best part is that you actually took the time out to forward.
Yes,
That's the best thing.
I appreciate it, man.
Trust me.
Woo.
It's been real, Charela. Jill, you like when I'm Baywatch girl there, you know? Yeah, so whenever you guys are in the grill, you can possibly catch the beautiful Negril sunset. Cheers to an awesome day. Cheers. Michelle, how you feel about to catch somewhat your first Negril sunset?
This is awesome. This is awesome. I'm glad I'm experiencing it alone right now. And then another time I will share this joy with somebody else. Yes. Wink, wink.
So the sun is partially cloudy right now, so it's not the most phenomenal of sunsets. For example, the one that we saw over by the point, that one was beautiful. It was so orangey, all that, because we've been having slightly bad weather in the evening. But yeah, Sarah's having her very first sunset from this point.
Yeah.
Right.
You know, wait, I think I'm going to try and do a time lapse so I can actually do it. It's cool and relaxing and yeah, it's very chill. But let's keep again up there.
Alright, and just like that, we are no longer the 5 amigos. We have left Negril. I dropped my sister off by my mom's and everything like that. So yeah, that was an amazing trip for me. I had so many new experiences there and tried out some really cool places that I really enjoyed. I think out of all the places that I've been at, I think the favorite experience was the one with Raymond, the Booby Key one, because I mean, it was as a whole package and the price was just good for, you know, per person. So I really enjoyed that. Anyhow, there is going to be a first. I'm taking my cousin Michelle and also Sarah for the very first time to one of my very favorite street food spots. It's a place, I don't really find many street food spots that I really like. This one is one of them that I really like. It's been written up a couple times in newspapers and all that stuff. But I will show you guys on the next video. Remember these 3 things: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember to keep a link.